one. So now I'm going to start what is a reduce function. So earlier I explained what is a filter and map function. So both are built in higher order function. If you haven't watched that higher order function, please go there and watch video in the same channel, or as well as please subscribe our channel. So it would help me to give you more content related this AI as well as Python and other topic. So what is a reduce function? So reduce is a one of the built-in function which is a part of the function module. So first of all, you need to understand what is a higher order function. So higher order function like reduce, I am telling you an example. So it is a part of higher order function. So for reduce, you need to just import the reduce functional module. So how you can just import it? Use import keyword and func tool. So in the func tool, you have to import all the function with reduce. So reduce the higher order function. So higher order function means the function takes another function. So this reduce function takes another function like func, as well as whatever whatever thing or logic you need to apply on your data, you can just write it like a variable a. So in variable a, I will mention like I need to add this number. So what is the total sum of this number? So how it is work? So it will add like 2 and 4 first, and then 6 total number 2 and 4 first, and it will give the output of 6, and after 6 it will add into 5, it will give the 11, then again 11 will join into 12, so 12 and 11 23. So like this it will give the output. So now I declare the variable, as well as I need to make this logic for this. So I am defining what def function with func. Inside the func, I need to just give a and b, because reduce first time it will take a and b. Every time it will just again and again just loop the same number. So we need to return it and write a plus b. So when you will write this type of, so now I'm just going to print it. So let me just show you what happened. So when I'll just run it, so it is giving me the output of 135. Those how this function work. So as a higher order function takes another function. So this is a reduce function which is a part of fun tool module. So first you need to just import fun tool module, or if you haven't import the functional module, you can just use pip command. If you haven't that watch pip video, please go there and watch the pip command. After that means our requirement is to add all the numbers using the reduce higher order function. So higher order function reduce take two arguments function, as well as this data, whatever data you need to provide it, and you need to apply the logic, you need to provide the data. So this the function you need to just provide it, and after you need to write a logic. So I have written the logic like it takes a and b first time. So 2 will add 4, it will give 6 output, and 6 output will again add with 5 will give 11. Again 11 will give output of 12 adding, and it will give the output of 23. Like this it will just take it. So with the using of lambda function, you can also just use it. How you can just using the lambda function? So here I am replacing the lambda with the original function. So lambda, I am taking example of a comma b, and here a plus b comma. So I am removing or commenting this. Let me just show you. So after it will give me error because I written here comma. Let me just replace with colon. This is the way the right lambda function. Now you will see like it is a 135. So it is a while you're importing the reduce. So and using the reduce, you need to just understand the func tool. First of all, you need to just import the func tool. Func tool is a module, is a part of reduce. So I hope you understood the reduce function is a very important function in Python, as well as understood the lambda function with reduce. You can just use it. After that, you can just replace this number also with the single line. I'm just clearing all the thing and just replacing a with some numbers. And now use the single line. It will give the output of 135. So thank you so much.